Welcome back to our sales management video series. In this video, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to stay on top of your leads and opportunities in 123worx. On the sales dashboard, we'll see at a glance all new leads, current opportunities, and any follow-ups that need our attention today. This keeps your pipeline organized and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Let's dive into one of these opportunities. Here, we can quickly see every detail, like the client's information, any documents or estimates attached, and a history of your communications so far. Right inside this opportunity, we can jot down our follow-up notes so our whole team knows what was discussed and what's next. And if we'd like to schedule an appointment, we just need to click one button at the top of the opportunity. The meeting date will instantly show in the opportunity grid and here in the follow-up section, so we never lose track of what's booked. From right inside, we can even send an email to the client or any stakeholder linked to this opportunity without leaving 123worx. These emails will all be tracked inside of our activity tool. Every follow-up, note, document, and email stays attached to this opportunity so your whole team can stay in the loop. This makes it easier for us to keep track of all the details and conversations going on with this opportunity. And that's how easy it is to manage your leads, track follow-ups, and keep your sales pipeline moving forward with 123worx. In the next video, we will be covering a few more tools for managing your opportunities. If you'd like a personalized walkthrough for your team, reach out to us anytime. We're always here to help.